Plant FAQs, Hoya sigillatus. Hoya sigillatus, a guide for plant enthusiasts. Hi, Ferbvu here. For all you Hoya fanatics out there, today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Hoya sigillatus. This captivating plant boasts stunning foliage and fragrant blooms, making it a coveted addition to any collection. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate a thriving Hoya sigillatus. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya sigillatus? Hoya sigillatus is a captivating epiphytic vine, native to the lush rainforests of Borneo. Described in 2004, this relatively new member of the Hoya family boasts unique characteristics that set it apart. Its captivating charm lies in its elongated, narrow leaves. A mesmerizing interplay of colors unfolds. The upper surface features a deep olive green base adorned with a mesmerizing silver splash pattern. Flip the leaf over, and you're greeted by a stunning burgundy reverse. Light requirements: sun-kissed or shade-seeker. Unlike some Hoyas that thrive in dappled shade, Hoya sigillatus flourishes in bright, indirect light. Think of a spot near a sunny window, but shielded from harsh afternoon rays that can scorch its delicate leaves. Here's a tip: observe your plant. If the leaves start turning pale, it might be craving more light. Conversely, if they develop a reddish hue, consider providing more shade. Watering needs: finding the perfect balance. Finding the sweet spot for watering your Hoya sigillatus is key. It dislikes soggy soil, but also isn't a fan of complete dryness. Aim for a consistently moist, but not waterlogged, potting mix. Here's a helpful trick: stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time for a drink. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Choosing the ideal pot: hanging out in style. Hoya sigillatus is a natural-born climber, so a hanging basket is its ideal home. This allows its cascading vines to gracefully drape downwards, showcasing its beauty. Opt for a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. The size of the pot should be proportionate to the plant. Don't go too big, as this can hinder flowering. Temperature and humidity: keeping it cozy. Hoya sigillatus thrives in average room temperatures, ranging from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. It's not a fan of extremes, so avoid placing it near cold drafts or heat vents. While it tolerates average humidity levels, it truly shines in a more humid environment. If your home is on the dry side, consider using a humidifier or grouping your Hoya sigillatus with other humidity-loving plants. Feeding frenzy: how and when to fertilize. Hoya sigillatus isn't a heavy feeder. During its active growing season, spring and summer, a diluted dose of balanced fertilizer every few weeks will suffice. Opt for a half-strength solution to prevent fertilizer burn. Come winter, when growth slows, ease off on fertilization entirely. Common Hoya sigillatus problems and solutions. While generally a low-maintenance plant, a few common issues can arise. Here's how to tackle them. Mealybugs: these tiny white pests can suck the sap out of your plant. Isolate your Hoya and treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Scale: these armored insects can also sap your plant's vitality. Use horticultural oil or a cotton swab dipped in alcohol to remove them manually. Yellowing leaves: this can be a sign of overwatering or lack of light. Adjust your watering routine and consider providing more indirect sunlight. Hoya sigillatus versus Hoya carnosa. Both Hoya sigillatus and Hoya carnosa, the popular wax flower, are beloved members of the Hoya family. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide which might be the perfect fit for you. Feature Hoya sigillatus. Hoya carnosa leaf shape: elongated, narrow with silver speckles on top, oval or rounded, fleshy with a waxy sheen, leaf color olive green with silver splashes, burgundy underside, deep green, sometimes with variegated patterns. Light requirements: bright, indirect light, tolerates lower light conditions. Growth habit: trailing vine, best suited for hanging baskets, can be trained to climb or cascade.